Palfinger Connected is the digital solution for a more efficient use of vehicles and maximizing uptime. The Operator Monitor gives the user access to crane-specific data such as current operating hours and error messages. Digital maintenance checklists remind the user of regular cleaning and maintenance work and enable a complete record of the work carried out. Additional support functions such as the Job Planner allow the user to calculate the optimal support for the current job in a quick and uncomplicated way. As a result, a time-consuming moving and resupporting of the vehicle can be avoided. With Palfinger Connected, we offer our customers a digital customer-oriented tool that makes work easier and optimizes fleet deployment.
Palfinger.